Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So you can see the questions on the whiteboard. This is one of the logical and reasoning questions, and you can see this type of questions is very common in the various competitive exam. For example, RRB, NTPC, the railway, those who are going to preparing and going to appear for this type of exams in banking, any kind of banking exams, any kind of railway exams. For them, this type of questions is very important. This is moreover logical and reasoning questions. You have to apply a trick or logic. With the help of that logic or trick, you can find out the correct answer. Obviously, these are multiple choice questions. The sum of the options will be provided to you. From that options, you have to find out the correct answer. So without any further delay, let's get started. So see, the questions is a logical and reasoning questions. These are the patterns of the question is given. The missing is this number. Some of the numbers is given and some alphabets are there outside the numbers. Okay, from this alphabet is missing. So you have to find out this missing alphabet. Options are there. Now how will find it? So first you have to check from these two alphabet how will get 22. That is the thing. If you get the idea, you can easily find out the solutions. Now, in order to solve this type of questions, so you should know the alphabet number. What is the alphabet numbers of F? What is the alphabet numbers of P? Similarly, all the alphabets, you should know the numbers. For examples, for A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. In that way, you can find out, so on, right? So, if we're going to find out the alphabet numbers of F, A, B, C, D, E, F. The alphabet of F is 6, right? Alphabet numbers of F is 6. P is 16. P is 16, right? P is 16. Then G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is 7, right? Similarly, what will be the alphabet numbers of N? It's 14. Then alphabet numbers of E, A, B, C, D, E. That is 5. J, it should be 10. K, alphabet numbers of K is 11. So these are the alphabet numbers you should know before solve this type of logical and reasoning problem. Alphabet numbers, this is nothing simple. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, and that's that way, right? So how will get, now it's clear, picture is clear, how will get these two number 22? From these two numbers you have to find out 22 because these numbers is given, but you have to find out this alphabet. So 16 plus 6, that will be 22. 16 plus 6, 16 plus 6, that is 22. If we add these two numbers, you will get this. Now here, 7 plus, this is 7 plus 14. What will get? 21. So 21 is this number. So similarly here, 5 plus, here E is 5. The alphabet numbers of J is 10. So if we add up, you will get 15. 15 is the middle number. So by applying this trick, we are going to find out these numbers. The middle number summation is given, but you have to find out this alphabet. So I know that the alphabet numbers of K is 11, right? So if we subtract 27 from 27, 11, then you will get this number. Subtract 11 from 27. If we subtract 11 from 27, then what will get? 27 minus 11, 7 minus 1, 6, 2 minus 1, 16. So 16. What is the alphabet numbers of 16? Alphabet numbers of 16 is P. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So P. So P means 16. So this alphabet should be P. Since it is 16. It came 16. So alphabet numbers of 16 is P. So correct answer is P. Let's have a look whether is there or not. Yes, P is there in option A. So option A is the correct answer. I hope it's clear with the concept. But if you have any doubt, you can write in a comment box. I'll be there to help you. And thank you for watching.